Well, here's the Aiwa speaker out here again. Might be thinking, oh, I had the Aiwa speaker out here in another video I did. The thing is, in that video, I pretty much promised that I would do a sound test of the speaker inside of there, which is pretty much a small full-range driver with a piezo. I removed the piezo, little tiny buzzer speaker. Didn't make a difference. Well, we've got the speaker out here again. So, a little fun fact about the last video I did, it took me 3 takes. This is probably my 4th take of this video. And, well, what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be disassembling this again. And we're going to be doing the sound test that I promised earlier ago, back when my voice wasn't as deep.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take apart a speaker from one of the home mini stereos. Basically, this part comes off. By the way, this is Aiwa model SXNS22.
Here we go with the test inside the box. And now, here we go with the test of the, actual plain speaker. Move my stuff a little bit. So next up, what I'm going to be showing you is that these may sound good, but they don't really have the best, I guess you could say, power handling. If you turn them up, they will stop sounding great. They'll, make funny mechanical noises. So that's what I'm going to be showing next. And my wire came off. I hope you heard that. There's some more receiver power. Yeah, so they don't have the best power handling, but I guess you could say they do have good bass. I did have a bass EQ on, but these speakers, I'm actually pretty sure it's this one that has a coil that's slightly out of line, and it makes a little bit more mechanical noise, just because they weren't made the best. And if you can guess the price I got this for, $3.99 for each speaker at Goodwill. So, these were actually pretty good for that price. Pretty soft speakers. Not very, a lot of excursion for what they are. But for not having a whizzer cone for high notes, these things actually have decent treble. So, I was very surprised about that. These things really are good for what they are. So pretty much, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video, which will probably explain how I restored this KLH box.